Hi, I'm Nipun Goel. I'm the founder and CEO of LikeMinds. LikeMinds is a low-code platform which helps you to launch customizable and scalable chat and feed features in just 15 minutes. At the core, we provide highly customizable chat and feed SDKs with pre-built UI components and business logic for deploying popular use cases, saving months of product development efforts. Today, users expect a chat experience like WhatsApp or a feed experience like Instagram or LinkedIn, and building anything close to that takes about 8 to 12 months of product and engineering efforts. LikeMinds helps you offer the same experience in your product in just 15 minutes. In this video, you will get an overview of LikeMinds SDKs, high-level data flow and architecture. We will also cover various pre-built themes that can be used to launch popular chat and feed use cases in just 15 minutes. Let me start with the basics. So what is an SDK? SDK, Software Development Kit, is a set of tools, libraries, and documentation that developers use to integrate specific features, like in our case, chat and feed. Alright, let's jump on the high-level diagram of app integration and data flow for LikeMinds SDKs. The area marked here in green is the LikeMinds SDK environment, and the area marked in white is your app or website's environment. The SDK here consists of two major components, the core layer and the data layer. The core layer is responsible for handling all the rendering of the UI, managing the state, handling navigation, and storing the business logic. And the data layer is responsible for enabling connectivity between core and the backend APIs, along with other integrations. For example, the WebSocket connection, the notification listeners, and the user authentication management. Now, both the chat and feed SDKs are available in all popular tech stacks: React.js, React Native, Flutter, Android, and iOS. Let's see how the data flow works. When a user clicks the button from where you want to trigger the chat or feed experience, let's say here, you can pass the user ID along with the API key to the SDK, which will authenticate the user. This authentication data is sent to the LikeMinds infra, where it verifies the user. If the user exists, their session is logged in. If the user doesn't exist, a new user is created and authenticated. Once authenticated, the relevant data is fetched from the backend infra to show the chat and feed experience. Now, all the backend operations and data validations are securely managed by LikeMinds infrastructure. The SDK abstracts complexity and is highly performant and has a seamless user experience. Now that you've understood the architecture, let's understand how 15-minute integration is possible. It's because we offer ready-to-use themes for popular chat and feed use cases. These themes have pre-built UI components and business logic to cater to these use cases. Let me now walk you through the various themes that are offered by LikeMinds. Let's start with chat themes. This is one of our chat themes, Community Chat, that looks very similar to WhatsApp chat. The primary entities here are chat rooms, which can be public, private, or broadcast types. Members can be added via SDK function or even APIs. The SDK handles all the unread messages, notifications, and analytics with minimal configurations. You can even upload media like images, videos, PDFs, and voice notes. We've built advanced capabilities like local DB for high performance, retry mechanism for reliability, read receipts, and presence. To drive more engagement, your users will also have capability to create polls. Adding on to these, features like reaction to messages, replying to messages, tagging, and pinning message as a topic. The SDK has built-in moderation features like report by user, delete by admin, restrict messaging options for bad actors. Now, every UI component and business logic here, not just colors and fonts, everything can be customized. We have even helped our customers with solutioning to the level of Figma to code. I will discuss customizability in detail later on in this video. Similarly, we have other themes like networking chat, which is similar to LinkedIn one-to-one messaging, where the chat starts once the messaging request is approved, along with block-unblock functionalities. Chatbot chat, using which you can launch a chatbot in your product in just 15 minutes. You can check out our website for other chat themes like cohort chat, online consultation, virtual event chat, freemium chat, marketplace chat, and ephemeral chat. Moving on to our feed themes, here is our social feed. With social feed, you can engage your users by giving them a forum to create new posts along with adding a topic, multiple media attachments, or a poll. Topic is similar to hashtag and can be used to filter a post as well as personalize the post. Now, all the links in the feed are shown with preview with the relevant OG tags. The feed supports media handling, which enhances user experience by managing aspect ratio for different size of media, caching of heavy content, and compression of data for swift data upload. All of this comes with a retry mechanism to manage in case there is internet connection loss. Other features include reaction to posts, saving of a post, commenting and replying on a post, etc. Posts are ranked based on the engagement, personalization, topics, and user follows. This ensures everyone sees the content that they care about. You can also introduce features like search and in-app notification panel to make it easy for users to stay updated and find what they need quickly, keeping them engaged. You can check out our other feed themes on our website, which include video commerce feed like Reel or TikTok, question and answer feed like Quora, testimonial feed, review feed, cohort groups, resource library, shoppable feed, and support feed. Like I said earlier, every UI component and business logic here can be customized. Let's discuss how. While theme is a great starting point for you to deploy your use case in 15 minutes, many times you want to customize the UI or the flow further. Now, the basic customizations like colors and fonts of various components in all the screens can simply be done by passing them as variables during the initialization of the SDK. Further, to change the view of a specific component on any screen, you can also extend the UI component as per your requirement. Now, these are the ways to modify the existing screens. But if you want to introduce new capabilities, you can also use our custom widget feature on your app where you can pass your own custom metadata. This gives you complete flexibility to define and control the widget's content, design, and behavior. The SDK also provides full flexibility to decouple the architecture. For example, if you want to show this postcard view in a different part of the application, you can render the post widget. So to recap, LikeMinds offers two highly customizable SDKs, Chat and Feed. These SDKs come with various front-end themes for deploying popular use cases. Themes are pre-built UI components and business logic for that use case. You can integrate these themes in just 15 minutes. Post-integration, you can customize these themes. You can start using LikeMinds SDK for free by creating an account from our website. You'll find all the steps, simple guides to integrate once you log in. Still, if you need any help, you can ask your queries via email, Slack, or take a free solutioning call with our engineering team. We'll be happy to create a dedicated Slack channel for you to help you go live quickly. Explore the SDK and start building your in-app chat and feed today. Thank you for watching. I will be looking forward to your feedback or questions.